Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that during this great Singapore sale, a shopkeeper give a discount 20% on a camera. The price before the sale is $1,200 and this does not include GST. And Mr. Tan decides to buy the camera. How much does he have to pay if an 8% GST is charged? So first I must find the discounted price, yeah? So the discounted price is 80% of the price before the sale, which is the mark price, and this will give me a value of $960. So the amount to be paid must include the GST, which is 8%. So 108% of this discounted price. And that will give me a value of $1,036.80. Okay, do take note. The 8% GST, 8%. The discounted price. Discount of 20% means I'm left with 80%. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.